Hey biscuits, welcome back to our Sunday deep clean. So today I'm going to do a truly deep clean of my dishwasher. The inside of it got all dirty, some kind of dirty pot pan got in there. I'm not sure how it got in there with how dirty it is, but as you can see, it got the filter absolutely disgusting. I must have just put a dish in there without washing it, without realizing. So before I run any more dishes, I've got a deep clean. As you can see, my sink is full because I was about to do a load of dishes. So I'm going to show you some really natural, easy, you aren't using any harsh chemicals, you don't even need to wear gloves, way to clean out the deposits from in there, oil from food that you're putting in there that's really going to decrease the lifespan of your dishwasher. So by cleaning this filter area regularly, you're really going to improve how clean your dishes come out. You're going to improve the lifespan of your dishwasher, and you're going to make it so that you aren't having to clean as much, which is really nice. So I'm doing a big scoop of baking soda with about 1/3 cup of white wine vinegar on top. I just get distilled big giant jug. You can get them at any kind of store, and I let that soak in. I massage it into any spots, little crevasses, little spots where it's hard to get it out. You can see how dirty that filter is. Oh my goodness. Then I turn the water on nice and really quite hot. I'm using a bottle brush. These things are awesome. They're great for cleaning. And then you just kind of have to work against the grain a little bit of the filter to try and scrub out all of that, just little food particles and oils and all sorts of things. I have never seen mine get this dirty. I don't know what I put in the dishwasher that made this happen, but I do regularly do maintenance on my dishwasher filter anyway. I would say every month or two, I get it out and I just clean it with plain water and the scrub brush. But the baking soda and vinegar really helps break down the oil, the fatty oil particles that are just going to clog your whole system. And I mean, who wants to pay to have somebody come out and fix it or replace it? Dishwashers are hard to get these days, so it's always better if you can just clean these yourself. And, it doesn't hurt to really get the water nice and hot so that you are really getting everything super tidy. Now, I'm grabbing some more baking soda because I feel like this one in particular, and yours might not be this dirty, mine just got unusually dirty. You really needed an extra dose of baking soda and vinegar once I'd rubbed through a lot of the particulates. So just kind of play it by ear and see. But this is nice that you don't have to do any harsh chemicals. You can just kind of deep clean that dishwasher. I don't think enough people know that they're supposed to deep clean their dishwasher. You're also supposed to deep clean your washing machine. And I know that we all kind of think of appliances these days as throwaway items, like, oh, they don't work, we're just going to toss them and get a new one. And I'm really working on the longevity of appliances because they're big ticket items for your budget, And these days with supply chains, it can be hard to get replacements. So the better care we can take care of our big appliances around the house, it's just, it's nice on the budget, it's nice on the home. And I like, knowing how to take care of the things in my house, which are lessons that no one taught me. There was no point in adulthood where somebody sat me down and said, okay, this is how you deep clean a dishwasher. This is how you deep clean an air filter. This is what you do to your washing machine to deep clean it. These are all kind of things that I've figured out. And there's a lot of hacks on the internet I've noticed that actually break stuff or stain things when they recommend them. So I actually try to experiment with these ahead of time so that you can see how hot that water is, so that that these actually work and it's not just random stuff I pulled off of Pinterest. This is really good. These little grates over the filters, I find one of the toughest spots to scrub. They're just at least in my type of dishwasher, your brand might be different. It's just got a weird texture, so it's tricky to clean. What I do is I'll also leave the filter and this filter cover in there. I won't unscrew them and take them out, but I will pour just a little bit of vinegar and baking soda in before I do a dishwasher one, just a little bit, just as regular maintenance to help keep everything clean. So this is where it goes in. For mine, at least, you have to have turned the blades, well, they aren't really blades, but the sprayer blades in a certain angle so that it fits to get everything in there. Now, there was also debris from whatever had been put in there. I think it must have been a big baking dish. So I took a wet wipe that I had dipped in some vinegar and I just did some scrubbing. I scrubbed up whatever particulates had come out of there. Now, again, probably your dishwasher isn't going to be this dirty. I've never seen my dishwasher get like this. So it's a lesson. Keep an eye on what you're sticking in your dishwasher. I think I was just distracted, sticking stuff into wash. Boom. But it's all locked into place now. It's ready for the next load, and it's so satisfying when you know everything in your house is tidy and organized. Oh, it's so nice. It's great. I actually filmed that little segment earlier, so that's why it still looks dirty. But I wanted to show you how it goes in and out of the dishwasher because I had to look that up. I did not know when I first started deep cleaning dishwashers, and it is so satisfying to get it all tidied up. I love it. Okay, biscuits, I'm going to see you over for the full version of this video on Patreon. It's a really fun full version. I love doing the unedited, uncensored cleaning videos over for my Patreon community. October is a fabulous month. It's where you get to request for November's all requested content month. It's only for Patreon members, and you have to request in October to be a part of the November videos because that fills up. I would say you probably have maybe a week left before all the requests are going to fill up and be done for the season, for our all request season. But I will see you over on Instagram as well because I love chatting with you all. It is so fun. See you in the next video, my biscuits. Oh, it feels good to have a clean dishwasher.